Bam! Aldi's got you covered too. Check that out. Birthday cake. I love birthday cake flavor bars. I don't know what it is, man. I just think it's my birthday all the time. But check these out. Only 10 grams of protein, but these are little mini bars, so they're easy to take with you. Easy, quick snack. You got a sweet tooth kicking in, you go grab you one of these and that sweet tooth's gone. I'm trying to tell you. All right, guys, you're looking to hit your protein goals. Man, I'm here at Aldi and I got you covered on this one. Check out what's behind me right here. On this area right here is where you can find all kinds of protein items. If you're trying to kick your protein up, if you're trying to hit your protein goals, man, these right here will help you out. I'm gonna go over some of the items with you and let me know if you've tried some of these. Let me know what your favorites are. But you know, Aldi's gonna hold you down. So let's go over some of these items here real quick. Yeah, if you just need a quick meal replacement, now this only has 10 grams of protein in it, but it does have 5 grams of fiber for you, okay? It's only 180 calories, so you won't feel bad, you know, but definitely check these out. If you're just looking for a real quick meal replacement, definitely check these out, all right? So another option you can do if that wasn't enough protein, that was only 10 grams of protein, these right here, these are 30 grams of protein in one of these bottles. And man, look at that chocolate. Come on now, you can't beat that, especially if you like chocolate, all right? 30 grams of protein. It's got your vitamins and minerals in there for you. And you definitely have to check these out. All these holding you down, I'm trying to tell you. So if you need a quick 30-gram protein shake, use it as like a lunch replacement. If you're not able to, you know, make a lunch or something like that, you're like, man, I just need something. Or if you're just, at the end of the day, you're running short on your protein goals, you're short by 30 grams, bam, now you're not anymore. And it tastes great. Knock out a sweet tooth, man, it's a win-win all the way around. So definitely go check these out. This is definitely something that'll help you hit your goals, okay? Aldi also has the Elevation protein shakes here. These are 30 grams as well, 24 vitamins and minerals. Man, you can't beat it, man. This right here will hold you down. It'll really help you hit your protein goals. Now, these are real low fat, and they're only 1 total gram of sugar, man. You can't beat it, okay? So you don't have to feel bad about it. It will help you reach the goals that you need to reach. But if you wanna find a drink, all these got you covered, okay? Now this is vanilla flavor. They also have a chocolate as well. So whichever one you get down with, go ahead and get down. I would say add this with maybe a side of berries or something like that. That'll really help kick up your fiber goals as well. And it'll just taste great, okay? So one thing I was excited about when I came to Aldi is seeing that they carry Built Puff. Come on, if you've seen my other videos, these are my favorite right here. These are my favorite. This joke right here, 15 grams of protein. You know it's gonna taste good. If you had Built Puff, let me know in the comments. Comment below if you've had it, if you know about it, because man, it is so good. If you put some Built Puff in your life, man, your life's gonna be better. I promise you, man. It's gonna, because these things are amazing. They have this one. They also have that brownie batter coming in, man. You gotta check them out. If you don't know about Built Puff, go check them out. Aldi has them, okay? At least this Aldi does. I was like, what? They got Built Puff up in here? Come on now. These are my favorite, okay? I like all these. I like the coconut flavor. This will definitely knock out a sweet tooth as well, all right? Now those bars only have 15 and 17 grams of protein. If you need some more protein in a bar, Aldi's got you covered right here. 20 grams in this high protein bar. Look at that. 20 grams of protein coming in, all right? So if you're looking to stay on track, still hit your protein goals, you just need a bar to take with you. Grab you one of these, all right? Because these things are like a cheat code, man. You can carry them around anywhere with you. 20 grams of protein, you cannot beat that, man. So let me know if you know about these. Have you tried these? Let me know in the comments. Let us all know. Or what are the ones that you like to get whenever you come here to Aldi? That's where I'm at right now, all right? And just for a quick snack idea, these things are like a cheat code. I don't know if you've seen these before, but these right here, you got protein puffs. Man, you can't beat it. One serving is gonna get you 21 grams of protein now. Come on, protein puffs. Now these are just the regular ones. They also have jalapeno cheddar, if that's what you're looking for. You need a little spice, come on now. One serving, which is a cup, it's gonna get you 21 grams of protein. Man, look at that, you cannot beat protein puffs. Take these with you. I mean, resealable bag, put them in your gym bag, keep them in your vehicle, keep them wherever. There's no more excuses, all right? I mean, I'm trying to tell you, you gotta try these out, all right? Protein puffs, man, look for them. They're here at Aldi, all right? Check these out, I'm trying to tell you. Now, another option you can get, these are only 12 grams of protein, but it's a energy bar that Aldi has, okay? So go check these out. 7 grams of fiber in this bar. So if you're looking to get some more fiber, these will really help you out as well, okay? So these energy bars, now remember, they're only 12 grams of protein, but hey, man, some protein is better than no protein now, right? So definitely go check these out as well, okay? Can you see that, all right? If you're just looking for a quick one, bam, Aldi's got you covered too. Check that out. Birthday cake. I love birthday cake flavor bars. I don't know what it is, man. I just think it's my birthday all the time. But check these out. Only 10 grams of protein, but these are little mini bars, so they're easy to take with you. Easy, quick snack. You got a sweet tooth kicking in, you go grab you one of these and that sweet tooth's gone. I'm trying to tell you, okay? So check these out right here. 10 grams of protein. Birthday cake is my favorite of any kind of bar, but this will knock out a sweet tooth, all right? So if you're really trying to knock out a sweet tooth, just have one of these and drink like a carbonated water, and you'll be good, man. I'm trying to tell you, that will knock your sweet tooth out. You won't have to worry about it. Plus, you're getting your protein. It's just a win-win all the way around, all right? Let me know if you know about these. Now, if you need a little afternoon boost to go along with your protein bar, go check these out right here. Now, these are sparkling waters plus caffeine, okay? All right, so mix one of these in. Have one of these. It's going to help fill your stomach up. You're going to get a little bit of caffeine in, and you mix it with that protein bar. So you're going to get your protein. You're going to knock out a sweet tooth. It's going to help you get to your next meal. Okay, so definitely go check these out. Okay, but if you don't want to go with the caffeine, easily just go get you one of those. All right, this will really help out. I'm trying to tell you, put this over some ice, add it with some frozen fruit. It will knock a sweet tooth out. It'll help fill your stomach up as well. Okay, so definitely go check something like that out as well. All right, see that? Yeah, all these got you covered, man. I'm trying to tell you. They got all kinds of different flavors up in here. Look at that. Boom, orange mango. That's your jam. They got orange mango up in here. Bam, cherry limeade. Come on now. What cherry limeade sounds great, man. Pink grapefruit. That's what you get down with. Pink grapefruit. Hey, we got pineapple coconut up in here. Pineapple coconut, boy. That sounds refreshing right there, right? So go check these out, man. I'm trying to tell you. So there you have it. There's some of the high protein, quick options you can find here at Aldi. Those protein bars are great. Like I said, they knock out a sweet tooth. You're getting your protein. There's different levels of protein. Some only have 10, some have 12, some have 17, some have 30, right? So whichever one you need to get down with, make sure you're tracking everything. But these are to really hold you off to your next meal. They really knock out a sweet tooth as well. It's better than going and grabbing a candy bar or something like that, right? We're always trying to get our protein in. So Aldi has you covered. You can just go to that one section of the store right there. Man, they got you covered. Now, I also recommend you mix in those carbonated waters, because the carbonated waters really help fill your stomach up, okay? And so whenever you're starving, you can just drink one of those carbonated waters and that'll hold you down until you grab your meal. So basically what you're trying to do is replace the old options that you used to do that got you into the position that you're in right now, all right? So that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you out. I'm always looking for different ways to stay ready. That's what we have to do. We have to stay ready. A lot of those options that I just showed you, you can take with you. You can take it to the gym, take it to work, in the car, you're going to pick the kids up, whatever it is, man, you just take it with you. You got to stay ready, okay? So let me know how you like these options. Let me know some of the options that you like to use here from Aldi or anywhere, really. Put it in the comments so it can all help us out, so I can be on the lookout for it, so someone else can be on the lookout for it next time we're at Aldi or at another store. So definitely, hopefully this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Let's go.